So this is the overall look of our project. Now at the doctor's side we have the Android app, and at the patient side we have the health monitoring kit, which has the health monitoring sensors such as the LM35 sensor, which is used to measure the body temperature, a heart rate sensor, and a blood pressure sensor. Then we have a LCD display which will display the measured readings, an Arduino Uno, camera module for video monitoring purpose, a Wi-Fi module for internet connectivity, and the medicine dispensing machine which will dispense the medicines. Firstly, the patient has to enter his or her details and generate a unique ID that will be encoded into the form of a QR code. Now second step is to scan this ID, which is in the form of a QR code, to create a file. So in this manner we have to scan this ID, and the file will be created and stored in the cloud, so that next time the same patient accesses the system, his or her file will be updated. This which eliminates the process of typing and filling details about oneself. Next, now at the doctor's app side, we have the patient data feature, where the doctor can see the patient's basic details such as name, blood group, etc. So now, next step is to measure the basic parameters like temperature, heart rate, blood pressure using the respective sensors, and it will be displayed on the LCD display. So in this manner the LCD display will display the measured readings. Now this measured parameters will be sent to the doctor's app. So the doctor can see the patient's health parameters in the doctor's app, and also it will be stored in the patient's file in the cloud. This process is done using the Wi-Fi module. Now in the Android app, there is another feature. There is another feature of video monitoring, where the doctor can see the patient's condition in real time. And with the help of that camera module, the patient can interact with the doctor. Now after analyzing the health parameters and after seeing the patient's condition in real time, the doctor can prescribe the medicines using the medicine vault feature. So this prescribed medicines will be dispensed from the medicine dispensing machine in this manner. Now in the medicine dispensing machine, a simple mechanical setup with servo motors has been designed for medicine storage and delivery, and we have created a spring-like mechanism which is attached to the servo motors, when enabled rotates and pushes the medicines to be dispensed. Now the blood pressure sensor, air from the cuff flows to the pressure sensor, and the analog readings are converted to digital by the ADC, that is analog to digital converter, and these are sent to the Arduino Uno. So this is the heart rate sensor using which the heart rate of the patient is measured and sent to the Arduino Uno, and LM35 sensor which is used to measure the body temperature. Then we have a LCD display which will display the measured readings,